Engines by Thompson. Wilbur has got this motor pretty well together, so I wanted to take a quick video and show the colors of what the engine as well as the FC as it goes back together are going to be. Alright, here we are. We've got everything that has been powder coated, the axle housings, the frame, the associated parts. We've got them all gathered. Our springs from Walks. We're ready to start building this roller. We painted the springs so they would somewhat match the quality of powder coating from those guys over at Rugged Works. Done such an amazing job. Our motor, thanks to Omix-ADA, the associated components that they provided, Kaiser Willys, Milestar, and these Patagonias. Once we get this roller ready to put on the ground, this is what it's going to be rolling on. So we're getting ready to start the assembly. We'll have more progress and videos for you soon. Thanks for following along.